Kenniif jifuuni samarroo
Bii sagantee jalteessaa
Finni suuraa eessa taftoo
Finne guutee jirree keessaa
Suuraa hateeloo dachoo
Amjambo. I have never been in a public space of less. For a purpose that is well known to me, for those who don't know me, I am Sora Stephen, and these guys have decided to interrupt me. I don't know what they are about to do. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank God for this event. We want to thank all our visitors, the guests for the day, and all of you for coming. I traveled from Marsabit today just to be with you, just to make sure that we encourage you guys. We have, personally, I have a lot of attachment to this school or this university. One, because I have a lot of daughters who stay with me and study here. Number two, my own wife is a student of public health in this institution. So, I have some attachment to the school. We want to thank the management of the school for giving you this conducive environment. Number two, I was told this is all moderners coming together. Is it true? Is that true? But I'm surprised this is not our number. Is it the case? So, I wish to sit down with the organizers of this event tomorrow in the morning. Because our people say, if they stop I have something to share with you. I have a challenge that I want to give you. So I offer to sit down with you tomorrow in the morning. Where's the chairman? I expected this event to be bigger and better than this. I expected this event to have the attendance of the management of this school. This is a big composition of Kenya that is giving a lot of students to this school. True or false? I expected our leadership, as many as they are, to be here with you. I expected you people to be organized better than this. But I don't know. You have tried, this is the second edition of the event. The third edition of the event should be better and bigger than this. And I offer, because I'm disappointed, I offer to be part and parcel of the team that will help you achieve greater heights in organizing this event to reflect Moyale, Sololo, Marsabit, Tana River, so many places that you have, that you are looking for. But as I've said, I want to reserve part of my comments to when I will meet the leadership of this group. I know we want to sing. I know we want to dance. I know when it will be the climax of this event. But this event can get a better start and a better climax. I am not dampening your spirit, but we can do better than this. True or false? So young men, young ladies, don't despair. We will get to support the organizers of this event. I am proud You've started. You are on the second edition. This will be our learning point, and we will offer our intelligence, we will offer our organization skill, we will offer our organization skill to make sure that the event turns out to be bigger and great than Northerners. I was invited by the management and pushed by one of you who happens to work with me, and I said, let me spare some part of my night to be with you. I am a teacher by profession. I went to other things and still handling management. But I know we can always start small and grow big. As we continue with the other part of the event, I wish and pray that you will enjoy the day. Please, young men and young ladies, Kenya is becoming a different nation of late. We are seeing the killings of our own daughters and mothers. Ladies, take care of yourself. Gentlemen, take care of your sisters. Take care of yourself too. The current trend that is happening around with the lives of our mothers and our daughters is not something that we would want to see. Today in the morning, I just opened WhatsApp and saw somebody, I don't know whether it was thrown from some floors up there, a young man with IDs all over. Please take care of yourself. Nothing is more important to you than your life. If you don't have your life, you have nothing. So as you study, please take care of yourself. Take care of your sisters. Take care of your future wives. I know you will never forget, but I can assure you, these ladies in this auditorium today, none of them will be your wife because they will have to go. We have not come here to make wives and husbands anyway. These are intellectuals who are supposed to study. I know there are engineers here, I know there are doctors here from both genders. So, as I end, please, the organizers of the event, I want to book the exact time with you so that I can have one-on-one on some few issues with you. I will leave my contribution with the Ballot. For a short while, I will go back to the subject.
Ennif jifuni samarro
Umi sagante jaltisa
Finni sora esa tafto